is going to be a very real what I eat in a day, showing you my actual what it looks like at 5 a.m. when I wake up, not some sort of fitness influencer, general influencers 5 a.m. routine where they wake up looking fresh, can't swear on YouTube, looking fresh-faced and bushy-tailed, and my morning voice is coming through. It is a training day, and it is also a Wednesday, so it's like a average weekday work day, getting the good food in. She's back up to maintenance calories, so the next few weeks are at maintenance. I've just been through a fat loss phase to really lean down ahead of doing a little old bulk through the autumn and winter, which I'm so excited for. Fat loss was hard this time around, and to be back on maintenance calories, I feel like I'm having so much food, I'm loving life, so it's all good. But yeah, we need to get to the gym. I would love to film some training today. I don't know if I'm gonna have time. I'm already running late, and I'm also on a new training block, like brand new training program, so I'm not in like the flow, the rhythm of it yet. I'm gonna have to keep checking what I've got programmed and remind myself. Jesus' voice. So I don't know, oh my God. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like have time to set like the camera up and everything, unfortunately. But just know it happened. Getting a little bit of extra food before the gym. So we had some soy, Greek style yogurt with a few oats. I ran out of rice cakes. Actually, I don't think I've got them on my shopping list. Today is a shopping day. I need to go to Tesco after the gym. I ran out of rice cakes because my go-to is my yogurt and my crumpled up rice cakes. So I just had to chuck on some oats and a coffee. We love coffee. I'm back to coffee first thing in the morning, and no regrets, zero regrets on that front. But yeah, I've got to go. Oh, I wanted to be out the door by now, so she's off. She's running. She is the moment. Back from the gym and my Tesco shop. Yes, I carry my groceries in a little tote bag and a rucksack, obviously. As per usual, I've got my little mug of protein to have straight from the gym, and then I'm still like pushing my breakfast back a bit at the moment just because your girl likes food, and sometimes it's nice to have something to look forward to a little bit later in the morning. I get that it's probably better to like have my carbs and everything sooner, but you know, life, you gotta have a bit of balance, you know? Not everything has to be optimal all the time. The annoying thing about going to Tesco straight after gym is like it's just open, so a lot of the time like they don't have stuff in stock. They haven't had big packs of blueberries in stock for ages, and they didn't have any bags of spinach, so I had to get broccoli instead for my greens, which is annoying because spinach you can just chuck on the plate, whereas broccoli you gotta cook it. Do you ever have shops where you're like, oh, this is gonna be quite a cheap shop this week, not too much to buy, not too much to stock up on, and then as you start going round you're like, oh actually I need that, no I need that, no I need that, and then it ends up being as expensive anyway, and it was very annoying. Look at my pump, man. It was a good sash. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it was a really good session. So I'm doing full body sessions, which I'm very excited for. I love full body, but I did forget, so I did hip thrusts at the start, and then I bopped about doing all my little upper and having a lovely little time because I love to train upper. And then realised as I got further down, I was like, oh no, there's more lower body. But it wasn't too bad, it was pretty chill. It was just leg extensions, leg curls and some calf raises. So it wasn't like heavy, big moves apart from the hip thrusts. So it was good, I enjoyed it. But yeah, time to finish this, and then I have to go and get on with some work. But it's quite a chill day today, so that's not so bad. Breakfast has been secured. I'm so excited for this, man. Like, honestly, having these extra calories feels like I'm having so much food at the moment, and I'm totally here for it. To the point where I'm like, this feels too much. Should I be having this? Especially with like my fats. So I'm trying to look at my macros, which is like your carbs, fats and proteins. And I don't get too caught up in the macros, to be honest with you, but I do try and like hit them as best I can. So I've just realised I've got a weird setting on my Oh well. We'll worry about that later. So yeah, my fats are looking a little bit lower at the moment. So I've got so much almond butter in this. But yeah, we've got our oats with almond butter, blackberries, and some chocolate chips, and a little bit of maple syrup. Lovely stuff. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my vat of coffee, as always. Do some work. It's quite a nice work day for me, actually. It's nothing too intense or like concentraty. And I just did a new client's first check-in, which is always fun. I enjoy that a lot. So that was good. It's a 3 coffee kind of day, which is the best kind of day to be alive. And I can feel a spot brewing, and I'm a squeezer, and I'm trying so hard to leave it alone. You know, when it's just right there. You're like, I could squeeze that bad boy, but I won't. Sorry, that's disgusting. But you know, I did say it was very realistic what I eat in a day. The way our kitchen is, it's almost impossible to get good lighting and a nice background. Like, I tried it over, we've got some windows there, but the bin's right behind me. If I go in that corner, it's a bit too dark. Now you've got, I mean, the fridge she's a sexy beast, is that fridge. But it's still the best background. First world problems. Another big old meal for lunch. Definitely gonna be sleepy after all these carbs. But I've got some spicy spaghetti. It's something I made the other day, some leftovers, but it's spicy bacon. I don't think it's spaghetti. Is it linguine? I think it might be linguine. It's very nice, whatever it is. It's another grubby meal. And then my veggies of choice today are mushrooms and carrots, which I've done in the air fryer. And I completely forgot it's Wednesday, so I got my little ginger beer. I love my little Wednesday afternoon treat. Got some editing to do, which is nice. I like to edit, so hopefully I don't get too sleepy from all that pasta. But again, yeah, just feel like I'm having massive meals now. I'm at maintenance. It's very nice, very happy. I'm feeling good. Like, I'm feeling very, like, the digestion's good. I'm feeling nice and satiated, which is such a nice feeling, because I do feel I am always on the hungry side, so to actually feel satiated is very nice. I'm loving it. Don't feel like bloated or anything. I'm feeling good, feeling lean, feeling like a lean, mean fighting machine. Training's good, food's good, I'm good. Steaming up nicely, hot from the microwave. I made this last night. This is another grubby meal, surprise. Gnocchi, chicken, pomodoro. Yes, correct? And that's kind of it for the day. I will be finishing off with probably popcorn for my little snacky snack. I swear I do eat other pudding snack things. It's just every time I eat one of these, I'm on the popcorn train. And we're gonna go watch Drag Race All Stars, because I'm only just getting around to watching it. There's so much drag. There is so much drag to watch. It's like a full-time job keeping up. But that is my little Wednesday evening after a full day of working and eating some good food and just having a lovely little time. Am I just remembering to tell you about the Awkward Gym Girls recipe plan? Of course I am. Of course I am. If you don't know what to eat, you're confused about what you need in your little belly to look toned, to feel good, to get strong, then you want the Awkward Gym Girls recipe plan, because it is for 3 weeks of coaching where you get to understand exactly how to eat and train to be looking and feeling your best, whilst also getting more confident to get into the gym for the first time if you are fellow gym phobia anxious little bean like me. I've been there, so I'm going to tell you how to not be there anymore. Yeah, just go and grab it, it's down there. Cool.